and it prevented the scar from forming. It's also helped soften a lot of old scars. Hey guys, get ready with me for a regular day around the house, not filming, maybe some errands and walk the dog. My first step is actually in the shower. Something I really love that I just discovered is Shay's Turmeric Super Polish Exfoliator. I just discovered this and it is so good. It is so gentle on my skin grafts because we are able to exfoliate our grafts. A lot of people think they can't because we're told in the burn unit that you can't do that. But nobody tells us what to do years later. We still have it in our head. I can't do that. When in fact you can after you're healed. And this is such a fine exfoliator. It is just so good and it smells fresh and clean and made from this turmeric root, which you know is so good for you. It's my first time using this type of scrub, but this starts in the shower on face and body. And it really just, you can actually see how it's already sort of illuminated. It smooths, it brightens. I love it. Highly recommend. Next, I've already done my skincare. I use Allies of Skin. Everybody knows. The main things that I use are the copper tripeptide serum because that's really amazing for scars and burns. It will get rid of them. I recently had a huge surgery to create the tip of my nose. And I was cut from here to here and then straight down here. And if you notice, there's no scar. There is nothing because my doctor cleared me to use the copper tripeptides and ecdrin by Allies of Skin. I was about 3 weeks healed and he said I could start using them and it prevented the scar from forming. It's also helped soften a lot of old scars. Maybe it never goes away. I mean, it is a scar, but you can really visibly improve them. Also, the growth factor serum, multipeptides and growth factor, that is huge for cellular turnover and just helping me heal. They call me Wolverine. The surgeons call me Wolverine for my ability to heal after surgery. It took a series of 4 surgeries to recreate my nose. So I was having surgery about every 3 weeks and really healing in between. I was also in the hyperbaric chamber though, and I mean the serious hyperbaric chamber, 100% oxygen. Advanced daily treatment. This is a good one if you just want to get started and try Allies of Skin because this is great for firming and smoothing, but this one is great. That's my moisturizer. And I use bakuchiol serum and you can see that's the glow. Bakuchiol is a natural, it's like retinol. It's great. It's firming and super protective. You know, you're creating a protective layer over all the serums and moisturizer you've applied. Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. I don't even know if these are called bronzing drops. These are anti-pollution sunshine drops by Drunk Elephant. A little goes a long way. Like that. And super glow. You see what I'm saying? I'm not worried about balancing my skin tone anymore. I mean, look at how pretty this skin is. If you touch this skin, it is so soft, so smooth. It's really beautiful to me because I know what it did for me to save my life. The skin was the key to me being here. And it came, it adapted, it moved from my legs and my abdomen, and now it's here adapted and even glowing. I love it. I think they should put more time studying what happens post burn and post skin graft and healing and what treatments, because there's really not any studies. I hope that I'm creating a body of work that people can look back at and see the evolution of these skin grafts and just how good they are. They're beautiful. You can't have your face glowing like this and your body not. Sashu Liquid Glow Stain. This is in Golden Hour, and I like to use it on my body. Oh yeah, you see that? Look how well it took, even better on top of the area that I exfoliated. I keep my exfoliant in the shower, and I like to do it after I cleanse because it has a lot of good ingredients that I want to stay on my skin. We're not going to forget the most important part. We're going right across here. So it looks one way on my grafts where all the texture is. So I make sure to really rub that in more, because look at it right here on this regular skin. It's, oh my God. It's like, yes. And the reason you wear a dry oil like this is so that you can glow without rubbing off on everybody who touches you. You want to be beautiful. Oil is great. I use it on my legs. But on the upper body, this glow stain is beautiful. I feel beautiful when I glow. The more the light reflects, the less I see the imperfection. If it is an imperfection, whatever it is, the skin variations, the less I see those. I see glowing, healthy skin. I see light in my eyes. You know, it makes a difference when your skin is on this level that allies of skin can get you to. Stop. Grady's scared of something. We're getting ready. It's okay, sugar. A scary man came to the house last night, so. This is Tilt Beauty lip liner, and it is made for people with any sort of impaired dexterity. You can really hold on to it easily. I wish all makeup brushes were made this way because you can really control it. I used to drop my makeup brushes every time I used them. It was so hard for me to learn to hold them again. I wanted to wear makeup so badly because there was a time when I wouldn't have gone to the mailbox without a full face of makeup. And that time was before I got burned. I had all those insecurities and I wasn't going to be seen. I had beautiful skin because I was young, but I didn't have glowing skin. And now I feel really beautiful as long as I've got my lashes on. And that's it. That's me just going to hang out with my dog or go on errands or whatever it is for the day. And as long as I'm glowing and looking healthy, I feel beautiful. Your health is your wealth. You won't realize it until you almost lose it. And then suddenly everything becomes about feeling and looking healthy. I love y'all. Hope you like it. You can try the products. I'll tag them, of course. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.